Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a really wonderful Cartier Tank Francaise that we just got in. This is a pretty special watch because of this really interesting and unusual dial. It's this deep pinky fuchsia color that's really saturated and not something that you see all of the time from bigger brands, but Cartier definitely plays with colors as much as it plays with sizes. I love this watch. I think the pink is so fabulous. It also has these little Cartier emblems kind of tumbling around in the background, which look great, and it's also matched with a pink cabochon instead of the normal Cartier blue. The rest of the watch is classic Cartier Tank Francaise. It's got Roman numeral hour markers, it's got this beautiful Cartier Tank Francaise bracelet, and like I said, it's just a classic example of the Cartier design, but elevated and made really playful and interesting and fresh and modern with this really bright fuchsia pink colored dial. So if you're looking for traditional Cartier with a twist, or something really different and unique, you should definitely check out this Cartier or the rest of our Cartier collection at SwissWatchExpo.com.